Today we are working on the bedroom. I'm really excited for this. So if you guys are new here, the whole camper before was brown and 70s, and where the bedroom is actually where there used to be a really big dinette area. So we had 2 dinettes in this camper. Where the bed is here, you guys will see shortly, there was a really huge seating area with a big table, and then we have another dinette area over there. So from going with my parents on trips in their motorhome, we know it's kind of a pain when you have to put that on the table and set up a bed every single night. And me and my family are the same way, where we just like everything to look really put together. So every single day we would like take apart the bed, set it up as a dinette, and then put the bed down, and it was just such a hassle. So we figured that for this camper we would just make this a permanent bed and just make it like a permanent bedroom, and I think it's gonna flow a lot better, and I think it's just gonna look a lot better. So I'm really excited for that. If you guys remember, there was a bunk above here, but we took the bunk out. We still have the bunk that's back there, and then that dinette area turns into a bed. So yeah, that's pretty much it with here. Let me show you guys what it looks like right now. I still have to install the molding across here. It looks like this one, so I'm gonna do that in a little bit, but here is kind of the overview of what this all looks like. So here is a table that would go here. It had these metal legs that you could put it up and down with. And then this is the really big seating area. As you guys can tell, it's huge and completely wraps around compared to this seating area where it's just 2 little seats. But Connor and I will most likely be the only ones traveling in here, so I think we'll only need this. But we still have the option, if we would like to change this into a seating area, we definitely could. Today's music of choice is Christmas music. I'm not really sure why, but lately I've just been really loving listening to Christmas music. So that's what inspired me, so that's what I listened to. So what I did was just cleaned out this whole area, and now I'm just going to actually clean it with some cleaning products and get all of this dust off. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider cleaner. This smells so good. It smells like fall in a bottle, so I've been loving to use this when I clean the house. So I'm just getting all the curtains together. This is like another thing that people get really mad at me because I don't say curtains. But anyway, I'm getting the curtains together. If you guys didn't see this DIY, I have a DIY on how to make these. I paid them for like $8 per window, including the rods. It was super inexpensive. And they came out really good. I also wanted to just say that I do have the refrigerator. I'm looking at it right now. The reason why I haven't showed you guys it yet or put it in a video is because the new refrigerator that we got, it fits it fits like well where the old refrigerator was. But the issue is that we have to encase it into the old box, if that makes sense. That way when we drive, the refrigerator doesn't fall out. So we're just trying to like figure out how we're going to kind of brace it down, and also we have to like build a new frame around it. So that I need Connor to help me with. So I'm just kind of waiting on his schedule to get all that figured out, but hopefully that should be soon, maybe like in the next couple of weeks. Also by the end of this month, we will have the outside of Honey painted, which I'm so excited for. But I just got the curtains all set up, so let's go hang these up. So the curtains are up. Now it's time to bring in all the decorations. So let's go look at my mess of a car. So here's a little look at my car. I have just kind of been buying whatever speaks to my soul for the camper, and it's clearly a lot of wicker and light woods. So this is basically the box of stuff that I've been buying. And then as we get up here, we have all of the bedding. So I think it would probably be easiest to decorate first, then do the bedding. But I wish I could do the bedding first. It's just then I'd have to be stepping on the bed the whole time, and I don't really want to be stepping on it. So I'm going to bring in all the decorations and we'll start setting those up. Alright, we're back inside, but I just saw a bee fly up. There it is. Honey has been attracting so many bees. And then there's a beehive that I made. Gotta get out of here, little man. Gotta go. You gotta go. Oh no. Leave. Out. Out. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna close this. As I was saying, this little beehive, if you guys remember, I made this light. I also made another light that usually is right here, but I had to take it down because I was working over there. So it's like a little pendant light, which is super cute. So maybe I'll start with hanging this up because I feel like this could possibly set the tone for what the room looks like. Here. Or here. So here is where we're at right now. I picked out the decorations that I want to hang on the wall. So here we have this little fish. He's pretty cute. Then I have this sign that says just love. I have this little fan looking type of thing, possibly this picture frame, and then this. I want this sign to go right there. The issue is that I really need someone to help me hang up all this stuff just to make sure that everything is centered and just to be an extra hand, and I don't have anyone to help me, so I'm not really sure what to do. So I have two panels. I'm not sure if I'm going to hang up both panels. Originally I assumed I would hang up two, that way they could swag to either side, but I don't know if it's going to be too much extra fabric, so I guess I'll try two and we'll see how that looks. Could be how it would look with one curtain. Let's see. That's one. I wish that these were like a little bit tighter and higher, but I guess it's whatever. That's one. I think I'm probably gonna want two, but I think most likely if I just had one, I would probably have it like swagged like that at all times. I feel like it looks like a shower curtain because of how like long those little things are, but whatever. So the two curtains are up. I actually really like it. I feel like it gives it a lot more character and it feels kind of whimsical now, which I really like. It's kind of hard to maybe get the full vision for you guys because I have like all of this extra junk everywhere, but I definitely see the vision coming to life and I'm super excited about that. We have Connor here with us to help, so I feel so much better now that we can get everything done. So what we're going to work on right now is getting this piece of trim up. Do you see the hammer you have?
Caulking on it, and besides that, it's pretty flat.
Very cute.
Right there?
Right there. Right there. And then could you just not block the camera so much? Where's the scissors? They're on the counter there, right there. So I have this Scotch mount. It's supposed to hold up to 30 pounds. This stuff usually doesn't, but we're gonna see because the picture, this wall is at an angle, so it doesn't really lay flat. So I'm just gonna put this on the bottom to hold it for 1 minute. Cute. And then this is super light. I think I can just put a piece of the tape like right here where it's not see-through.
How many more taps you need?
What is happening?
Half-inch screw.
I know. I'm so interested to see how we do on vacation in this camper because with the tripod in here, it was so tight. We were just on top of each other, so it should be pretty interesting to see how we actually live in here. But now what I'm doing is putting together the bed. So we decided to keep the original cushions. We were thinking about just getting a mattress and putting it in here, but we weren't really sure if we should do that or just keep the original cushions. So we kept the original cushions, and I got this spray from Amazon. It helps to just eliminate any odors. The cushions didn't really smell. Maybe if anything, they just smelled kind of like, just had an old smell to it because the camper's from the 70s and the people hadn't used it in probably like 10 plus years. It was just sitting there. So I sprayed that on. Then I put a plastic liner down just to kind of give us a barrier between the mattress and any type of fabric. Then I took a mattress cushion and I put that on top. And then last but not least, we are taking this zippered mattress protector and I'm wrapping the mattress in this. That way everything is zipped up. Unfortunately, I got a queen size, which is smaller, or actually bigger than what this mattress is, but it didn't fit. So I'm gonna have to get a king. I think there maybe just too many layers for it. I don't really know, but I put some white sheets on and white pillows. And now for a pop of color, I'm adding these throw pillows that I got from Target. So for underneath the bed, I got these baskets from Target. They were only $12.99 each, which I thought was really great, and I just wanted to get these for extra storage. I definitely could have gotten taller ones. I just wasn't sure what size I needed, but I think these ones actually look pretty cute. A sweaty mess right now, but I just turned the light on in the bedroom. It looks so much better than I thought it would. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm pretty sure this is my favorite makeover ever, even out of our house. I just love how this came out. I feel like it is so cozy and so relaxing. I can't wait to go on a Disney trip with this sometime soon. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!